Hi there, I am here to help you learn the English language. As we know, there are so many people who are struggling to learn the English language. Now, learning any language has become very easy. You can learn as per your pace, as per your speed. We have technology. We should we should understand what technology we have. So what technology we have, we should take leverage of them. If we come to know about using them, we will be productive. As far as English language is concerned, I know if you are from a remote area, it is very hard to find co-learner with whom you can practice speaking this language. Now you don't need to search people in and around you. You have a smartphone in your hand. So now we are living in the era of artificial intelligence. We have to learn how to use artificial intelligence effectively. There are a lot of artificial intelligence. With the help of them, we can enhance our English speaking ability. Let's today learn about one of them, artificial intelligence, that is ChatGPT. As we know, we have artificial intelligence. If we want to learn English language speaking, these artificial intelligence will definitely help us. As per our convenience, we can start using these all artificial intelligence. It is totally free. It is available everywhere. Today I would like to talk about ChatGPT. Actually, we have lot of application artificial intelligence which we can use. One of them is ChatGPT. So I would like to talk about ChatGPT itself. First of all, what you have to do, you have to go to the Play Store. You have to search in the search bar ChatGPT. Right? You have to click. You have to download and install in your mobile, whether you have iPhone or Android phone. Right? So see, actually I have already downloaded and installed in my mobile, so I can simply open by clicking. Right? So when you download and install, you will be asked to sign in. So you can sign in with the help of your mobile number or your Google ID. It's very easy to sign in. So you will get interface like this. You see? So what you have to do, you have to select this area. You have to click here. I have circled this area. So you have to click here so that you can start talking. So what instruction, what prompt you give to the ChatGPT, it will act accordingly. So just I'm going to start that. Hi ChatGPT.
Hey, great to have you here. What can I help you with today?
Let's start speaking particular stuff.
Got it. So if you've got a specific topic or skill you want to focus on, like pronunciation, common phrases, or maybe grammar tips, just let me know. I'll follow along and help you keep the focus clear for your learners.
So I would like to go with role play. Are you interested on it?
Absolutely. I'd be happy to do a role play. Just let me know what kind of scenario you'd like a conversation at a store, a job interview, something social, and we can dive right in.
Okay, there is a restaurant, Indian restaurant, and you are a waiter there and I'm a customer. So let's start.
Good evening and welcome to Spice Haven. My name is Mavi and I'll be taking care of you tonight. What can I get started for you, or would you like to hear about our specials?
What is your today's special in your restaurant?
Of course. Today's special is a chicken tikka masala with a side of saffron rice and garlic naan. We also have a special mango lassi today, which is a great refreshing drink. Would you like to try one of those?
I would like to have chicken tikka masala.
Excellent choice. I'll get that prepared for you. Would you like a mild, medium, or spicy level for your tikka masala?
Yeah, I love spicy food.
Got it. I'll make it nice and spicy for you. I'll have that out shortly, and if you need anything else, just let me know.
What is in the starter?
Great question. Our starters include items like samosas, which are crispy potato filled pastries, onion bhajis, and a chicken or vegetable pakora. Is there something you'd like to begin with?
Don't you have French fry and sauce?
We do. We actually have a side of masala fries, which are crispy fries tossed in a spice seasoning. Would you like to add those to your order?
Okay, just give me that.
Perfect. I'll add an order of masala fries to your meal. So we have your spicy chicken tikka masala and the fries. I'll bring them both out soon.
I need a glass of water first, please.
Of course. I'll bring you a glass of water right away, and then I'll get your order started. Just a moment.
How much time will it take you to serve me the food?
I'd say it'll be about 10 minutes for the food. The water should be with you in just a minute, and then the main dishes will follow shortly after. If anything takes longer, I'll let you know.
So, what is in the dessert?
Great question. For dessert, we have a classic gulab jamun, a rich and sweet milk based dumpling, as well as a mango sorbet and a traditional kheer, which is a creamy rice pudding. Which one sounds good to you?
You should also take order for 2 pieces of gulab jamun.
Absolutely. I'll add 2 pieces of gulab jamun to your order, so you have your main dishes and now dessert as well. I'll make sure it's all ready shortly.
Do it as quickly as it is possible because I'm getting late. I have to resume my duty.
Of course. I'll make sure the kitchen prioritizes your order. I'll have everything out to you in about 10 minutes, so you'll have time to get back to your duties.
Okay,
Great. If anything changes or you need something else before you leave, just let me know. I'll take care of it from here.
no thanks.
You're very welcome. If you need anything else later, just reach out. Take care.
The food was very delicious.
I'm really glad to hear that. Thank you so much for letting me know. If you ever come back, I'll be happy to serve you again, and I hope the rest of your day goes smoothly.
You have served me very well. I appreciate it.
That means a lot. I really appreciate it. It was a pleasure having you, and if you need anything else in the future, just let me know. Take care.
How can I pay? Should I pay by cash or card?
We accept both. You can pay by cash if you prefer, or we also take credit and debit cards. Just let me know what works best for you.
Okay, here is the card.
Great. Thank you. I'll process the payment for you, and once it's done, I'll bring you the receipt. Just a moment.
One more thing. I would like to give you 100 rupees tip. You should
Thank
add
you
that
so
in.
much.
You should add that in that bill.
Absolutely. I'll make sure the tip is added to the total, and I really appreciate your generosity. Everything is set, and if you need anything else, just let me know.
No thanks.
You're very welcome. If anything else comes up, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great rest of your day.
Same to you.
Thanks so much. Take care and have a wonderful day ahead.
So it was all about conversation. I just gave one example. I have just given an example. So you can do. You can create different scenario and you can start practicing. If you do in this way, definitely you will become fluent and confident in the English language speaking. Right? Thank you. Bye bye.